Hi students, in this video we will talk about the frequency polygons and frequency curves. What is frequency polygons? It is a kind of statistic diagram in which we show the frequency distribution of some continuous data. So look at this example, you can see that we use this figure, this frequency polygon, to represent the weights of some S2 students. It can be formed by a frequency distribution table or histograms. So look at this. This is a frequency distribution table, and we can use these data to draw a frequency polygon. First of all, the first step is to use the class mark and frequency to form some ordered pairs, just like these. After we form these ordered pairs, we can plot these ordered pairs on a graph. What does it mean? You can see that there is a graph with horizontal axis and also vertical axis. We labeled the horizontal axis as the class marks, and we use the frequency as the vertical axis. And we plot all the order pairs onto this graph. So you plot all the points here. After that, you add two class marks with zero frequencies. So what does it mean? You need to draw two more class marks. Okay, one is the front, one is the back, and then you can join these adjacent points with 9 segments respectively. And remember, you give this diagram a title. So this is a frequency polygon. And maybe we have a histogram like this. How do we draw a frequency polygon from this? We can add two class marks of zero frequency first. So that means you need to put it here, the two class marks, and then you join the midpoints of the bars like this, and then you join it with a 9 segment. So this is also a frequency polygon. Maybe we can try on some questions here. Look at these questions. There is some marks of S2C students in the mathematics test. We have to write down the class marks of each class interval. After that, we will draw a frequency polygon. So first of all, part A, you can find the class marks by finding the mid value of the marks. So it is 45.5 for the first class interval, so on and so on. And we try to draw a frequency polygon. So we know all the class marks and we add two class marks. One is at the front, one is at the back. So how to do that? Okay, we have this table and we use this graph paper. Remember, the horizontal axis we put marks, okay, and then the vertical axis we put frequency and give it a title. So we plot all the points here, and then we joined all the points by straight lines. And also sometimes we will smooth the frequency polygon so we get some frequency curves. How to do so? Look at this. We try to make this frequency polygon into curves so that this is smoother. So look at this example. You can see these are frequency curves, not frequency polygon, because you can see some curves in it. And we can also use it to represent the data we get for, let's say, the weight of 2A and 2B students. So what can we say about this graph? Okay, these frequency curves, we can see that the S2B students lie to the right of that of S2A students. So it means that S2B students are in general heavier than S2A students. So look at this frequency curve. Students in which class take less time in traveling to school in general. So in general, you can see that the S2A graph is on the left-hand side of this frequency curve. So we get this. The S2A is the answer.